Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10, Piazza. Piazza will focus on love, betrayal, and power struggles in the world of media, magazines, and TV series. Munawwar, as burdened as the wedding dress she is set to wear, surrenders her fate to a stranger in a desperate attempt to save her family. Her journey, which begins in a small coastal town, soon carries the dark secrets of the past and the ruthless reckonings of the future into the dazzling world of Istanbul. In this world, Turkey's biggest star, Kenan Akin, takes center stage not just on the glimmering screens but also in his own solitude and the addictions he cannot escape. Yet, neither the bright lights nor the hidden truths can conceal the manipulative force behind him, his mother, Keriman Akin. Number 9. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jahan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminal underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question is a society or personal choice that drives a person to crime. Their shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 8. Sahib Sizzler, a story of six siblings, Azize, Kemo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yabuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 7. Uzak Shahar. Alia Al Bora arrives in Mardain with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Al Bora. The head of the Al Bora tribe, Jihan Al Bora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Al Bora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 6. Siakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée Sivilai. Number 5. Ayaz in Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of her slander. Going to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. while Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Ganesh. Ganesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Ganesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 4. Sandhi Kakusu. Karsu is a woman in an unhappy marriage. Her husband Riha is an abusive man and useless father. So when Karsu gives birth to their third child, she realizes that she can't take care of all the children on her own. She sends her 3-year-old son Kuze to Istanbul to stay with her mother Filiz for a while. However, on the journey to Istanbul, Kuze goes missing. After 3 years of searching, Karsu happens upon Kuze on a trip to Mersin. Karsu is believed to be reunited with her son. However, Kuze, who now goes by Denise, does not recognize her. Karsu will have to fight to win her son back whilst dealing with her challenging family situation. Number 3. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphan Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. When Hanjar marries Jihan and starts living in the mansion of this family full of secrets, her life changes forever. Hanjar is shocked to learn that Jihan's ex-wife Beza also lives in the mansion. Number 2. Inji Taneleri. Azam, who has a happy life with his wife and 2 children, is a literature teacher loved by his students. His life changes completely in a single night as he goes to prison for killing his wife. However, the reality is different. Azam has a secret that he cannot tell anyone. Azam, who has spent several years between four walls, has only one goal when he gets out of prison: to find his children and sit on a dinner table with them again. But this will not be easy at all. When he was imprisoned, his children were taken under state protection, and from there they were adopted by different families. When he gets out of prison, he spends the first night in a nasty hotel which he would normally never choose. Number 1. Gaddar. When Aidan broke his heart, Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of hard duty, Dagan's service is over and it's time to come home. But his home is not as Dagan remembers it. His family is shattered, and his whole neighborhood has given way to a dark underworld. Aidan is gone, and even the old friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuits. When his loved ones come into danger, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman. But even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aidan suddenly reappears in her life. Gaddar is a roller coaster of emotions, taking viewers on a thrilling journey through Dagan's desperate quest for redemption, his fight to bring his family together, and a kindled romance that blossoms in the face of danger. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.